Hello everyone. So today is 29th of November and tomorrow we have our monthly expiry. So market will be volatile of course, but what is going on in the market, everyone is surprised why all of a sudden this huge up move. तो जैसे कि मैंने I clearly said this idea or this concept, that is जब भी कोई बड़े players का FIIs, मोस्टली FIIs को मैंने देखा हूँ ये करते हुए कि जब भी इन लोगों का कोई लॉस होता है, बड़ा सा लॉस होता है, सो व्हाट दे डू इज बेसिकली दे do like for this time they are having a huge loss with their future short. Okay, they are still not closing their future short positions, but what they are doing is they are buying calls. Okay, and taking market further up and up. So those calls which they they are actually buying, so those calls are going like 5x to 6x and giving them huge profits, which are somehow neglecting their, somehow they are, maybe finally they could be even profitable as well. Exactly, we don't know how many call positions they bought during the day, they double tripled it, and so they might be like overall in a situation where they are profitable, or maybe somewhat at a minimal loss with a future short position. So this is the thing which they did, like even in the month of June also, if you remember that I mostly tell that suddenly in one day we had this like from 19,600 we went to from 18,600 we touched 19,000 for the first time within a span of 24 hours. Okay, so this is again what is happening, like we were at 18,800 and all of a sudden now we are almost near to 20,100. Okay, so you can very well see this 300 points move. Okay, so that too in a matter of like within just 2 days. Okay, and majorly the majority of the move came today. Okay, if you say that even the last day also it closed at around 18,900, let's suppose. So the 200 points move, a huge gap up, and then the move came today. And here, as I even said in yesterday's video, that yes, long positions have been built up by the big guys, and also like our money flow was also indicating yesterday, as I showed you, that Nifty money flow ends at a very positive note. The score was almost 65 and बैंक निफ्टी का जो स्कोर था ऑलमोस्ट न्यूट्रल था. ठीक है, तो आज अगर आप देखते हो कि निफ्टी ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा मतलब ऊपर जाके गैप अप ओपन दिया, लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं कंपेयर टू निफ्टी, but still like so that was like our money flow indicated correctly yesterday. Even today also, let's see where the money flow is ending. So again, Nifty money flow is ending at a positive note, 53. And so what so what it's indicating is that even at the last hour also some long positions were built up. And talking about our bank nifty as well, so bank nifty indicator also money flow is ending at a positive note. And talking about during the intraday, so during intraday you can see bank nifty like the score was somewhat negative in the morning, but then suddenly like from 9:47 onwards it jumped like from 15 to 44. You can clearly see the jump in bank nifty score. Okay, so if you just go there and check out the chart, so just look at there from 9 this is just before 10 a.m. so this is the 10 a.m. candle. So just at around this time the score jumped. Okay, and then after this sudden bit of concentration, and then you see that bank nifty went up. So there the suddenly the huge chunk of long positions today that were built up, and then again the score went in the positive zone, and that was the final like how the money flow behaved. Even if you look at the chart of the money flow, so here you see the majorly concentration of the long positions that were built up there, and finally like the gap was closed between the score and the between the money flow and the spot. So the spot is the blue one and the money flow is the red one. So here the gap finally closed, and finally like they both moved up. And for nifty also the same thing, like here if you see that the score went to negative positive at around this like a good region to trade was like before 10 a.m. again 22-24, showing strength in nifty, and finally like it went above this, and here again it went that is 11:33. You see the score jumping, and then again, so that's where, like, when the suddenly the score jumps, you know that big guys are making positions in which direction, you get to know. So again, the same situation for Nifty as well. The finally the gap closed, and then again we saw this uptrend. And talking about on the charts at around this position, there was some this there was this bearish RSI bearish divergence was created. If you see here that if you can join from this to this point, so I mean Nifty was moving up, but RSI wasn't, so strength was not moving up. And there this bearish divergence, even in Bank Nifty also bearish divergence was created. So there was a chance of pulling down there, but then suddenly, like, the bulls pulled it up, and then I knew that today technical analysis won't follow. And here, so then I also went long and took here, that is so here I clearly stated that I don't think technical analysis will work today. And then then I got to know that why technical analysis is not working, because the big guys are like FIIs को मतलब उसका loss recover करना है. So that's why, like, they will take further up, and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we went with this that is 20,000 CE bought at 109.50, and 20,100 CE bought at 40. And finally, like, even I did not close it today because I knew that things are going to go up and up. And even before 3 p.m. also 259, I said that high chance that 3 p.m. we will see up move, and also even at 3 p.m. it went up. Finally, we were able to, like, we means I was able to close it at 146 and 64 respectively. So the one here closing at 146 giving 33% return, and 164 that is giving 60% return. Okay, so buying at 40 and closing at 64, so it's a 60% return. So that's a huge return. Anyways, talking about on the charts, even those if you look at our level, so it just concentrated for a very few moment around our level. Our levels are, I mean, very well calculated, and you will see that I mean they are respected, okay, by the market. So in the morning, this here it was crossed by a big candle, and then some concentration just above that level, and then went up, and again reaching the next level. उसके बीच में आप देखोगे कि कहीं कोई concentration नहीं है, एकदम straight line पे move किया, फिर जाके next level पे जो 20,061 ये सब levels मैंने कल भी दिखाया था charts में. So that level पे, वो level पे जाके फिर से थोड़ा concentration, and then again up. So if it goes up and further up, so 20,148 would be the next level to look out for. And I mean, if that breaks, then again we don't have any level, so we would have to figure it out with the help of our money flow, because I mean, if that breaks, then we are like above our all-time high. So on the chart, from the charts, we can't take the help of the charts to figure out this support and resistance zone. So then we would need some other tools like money flow to indicate what could be the support and resistance. And talking about our today's major concentration, as you can see, it happened in the morning in the cash buying at around like yesterday it happened around 19,830, and today it happened around this level, that is लगभग आप पकड़ सकते हो कि 20,000 20 के ही पकड़ लो, ठीक है. So almost at around that level, so the major buying happened, and then it went up. And here also, like I mean the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty का भी अगर आप देखोगे तो ये जो लेवल था 44,400, सो इधर आके थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस मिला, और फिर इसको ब्रेक करके ऊपर जाके नेक्स्ट जो लेवल है 44,590 उधर पे जाके एंड हुआ. सो दीज लेवल्स आर नथिंग न्यू. I have already shown them several times in the past again. So if even this level is taken down, then 44,776, okay, is the next level, and then 44,901. So yes, things are looking bullish, and even cash buying is also going on. So looking at the cash buying, that is DIs are buying continuously, and FIIs आज थोड़ा buying नहीं किया, लेकिन कुछ दिनों से इन लोग भी buying start कर दिए. और talking about our gift nifty, as usual, it's up, and nothing could be said about now. So yes, now talking about our other analysis in the option chain. If you come here, that is even at 20,150, 20,100 पे भी अगर इसके नीचे भी देखोगे तो इधर कॉल राइट सॉरी पुट राइडिंग पोजीशंस है. एंड वन मोर थिंग टू नोट डाउन इज हियर, इफ यू सी हियर दैट 18,650, मतलब कितना दूर है. ठीक है, उधर द प्रीमियम्स आर स्पाइकिंग अप बाय 93%, ऑलमोस्ट डबल. ठीक है, और मतलब मार्केट जा रहा है ऊपर बाय लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक going up by 200 points or 150 points, and the put premiums are spiking there by 2x. So what is actually happening is there, like, people are buying those small options to write here. So the put writing is going on here. So huge put writing has been done. So please be very careful that कल आप ठीक है मतलब बड़े प्लेयर्स ने पुट राइटिंग किया है, लेकिन मतलब यू डोंट आई मीन आँख बंद करके पुट राइटिंग मत कर देना, क्योंकि मतलब अगर कर भी दोगे तो फिर भी एक मतलब स्टॉप लॉस रख देना, क्योंकि इट माइट हैपन दैट इन लोग को पता है कि मतलब सारे लोग पुट राइट कर रहे हैं. सो आई मीन दे कैन सडनली क्लोज देयर पुट राइटिंग पोजीशंस एंड टेक द मार्केट डाउन. कुछ भी मतलब कह नहीं सकते, मतलब मंथली एक्सपायरी है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. सो इधर पे ऐसे कोई नहीं है कि आके बोल देगा कि एग्जैक्टली यही होगा. वी कैन, from our experience, we can say something, but again we have to safely trade. Okay, so talking about the other things, that is, yes, put call buying तो हुआ है इधर भी. मतलब आप अगर देखोगे कि मैंने इधर बोल दिया था कि too much of call buying happening. So 2 बजे के पहले भी कॉल बाइंग चल रहा था. सो कॉल बाइंग कहाँ चल रहा था, ये 20,000 पे, फिर 20,100, इधर सब कॉल बाइंग चल रहा था. तो मतलब आप अगर पकड़ लेते हो कि 20,000 पे जो कॉल बाइंग का प्राइस है, सो सुबह भी बाइंग किया है इन लोग ने और फिर पिछले दिन भी बाइंग किया था. सो इन लोग का बाइंग प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट लाइक लेस दैन 60 रुपीज़ है. सो और अगर आज का अगर आप पकड़ते हो कि आज जो बाइंग हुआ है कॉल बाइंग, उसका एवरेज क्या है. सो 20,000 पे इन लोग का एवरेज मोस्टली लेट्स से एट अराउंड let's say almost 90 rupees. Okay, so that 80 to 90 rupees आप पकड़ सकते हो कि that's their average price, okay, of buying. And yes, talking about the other data points, that is बैंक निफ्टी पे चलते हैं. So बैंक निफ्टी में भी अगर आप देखोगे कि ह्यूज पुट राइटिंग हुआ है, और जो नेक्स्ट कॉल राइटर्स है तो उन लोग इधर बैठे हैं कि 45,000 पे जाके बैठे हैं, और जो 44,700 पे भी कुछ बैठे हैं कॉल राइटर्स. बट मेजरली लाइक द पुट राइटिंग हैज़ बिन डन इवन इन बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल. बैंक निफ्टी का अगर आप पुट प्रीमियम्स देखते हो तो उतना मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं है कंपेयर टू निफ्टी, बट लेकिन इसमें एक एडवांटेज है. जो लोग मतलब बहुत दूर जाके सेफ राइटिंग करके, लेट्स से सपोज दे वांट टू इट 3 to 5 rupees by one day, so it's very like good opportunity for them. So anyways, talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty EOD data. So majorly EOD data जो है वो suggest कर रहा है कि FIIs have done put writing, and prop decks also they have done huge amount of put writing. अगर आप इधर overall positions भी देखोगे तो put writing quantity बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर FIIs का जो फ्यूचर शॉर्ट है वो अभी भी इंटैक्ट है. दे आर फर्दर इंक्रीजिंग देयर फ्यूचर शॉर्ट पोजीशंस. बट इधर अगर आप देखोगे तो कोई FIIs ने आज जाके फ्यूचर्स लॉन्ग पोजीशंस भी बनाया है, और जो प्रॉप डेक्स है दे हैव आल्सो क्रिएटेड अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ फ्यूचर्स लॉन्ग पोजीशंस टुडे एंड क्लोज सम ऑफ द फ्यूचर शॉर्ट पोजीशन. सो प्रॉप डेक्स एकदम सॉलिड बुलिश है फ्यूचर्स में, और FIIs का भी कुछ FIIs अभी जा रहे बुलिश साइड में. बट ये जो बियरिश पोजीशंस है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कल क्या इसका मतलब आर दे क्लोजिंग दिस पोजीशंस और आर दे रोलिंग ओवर दिस पोजीशंस. दैट वुड बी very इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी टुमारो. एंड बट ऑप्शन चेन पुट राइटिंग हुआ है FIIs प्रॉपडेक्स दोनों मिलके पुट राइटिंग किया है, दोनों मिलके कॉल बाइंग भी किया है, और कल भी इन लोग ने कॉल बाइंग किया था. सो प्रॉपडेक्स FIIs आर बुलिश in option chain, PropDex bullish in even in futures, and FIIs have started building up futures long positions. So it's a very high possibility within a few days, if these positions continue, we can again cross all-time high and make a new all-time high in Nifty, and that's the overall analysis for today. So again, the final verdict would be that yes, of course, long positions have been built up, but please be careful while you are taking the long positions, because suddenly like premiums can during expiry days, premiums can इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है प्रीमियम्स को 50% डाउन होते पे होने में और 2x अप होने में. So I mean, trade safely, wait for the signal, wait for the perfect opportunity. Like here I did wait today for my perfect opportunity, ठीक है. तो सेकेंड हाफ में जाके मैंने सोचा कि क्या पोजीशंस बनाया जाए, क्योंकि फर्स्ट हाफ में क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब अगर इधर से फिर डाउन मूव एक मतलब 20 के ये जो लेवल है, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल, इट्स अ साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल. तो दैट्स वाई लाइक इवन इफ द FIIs वांटेड इट, दे कैन शार्पली टेक डाउन निफ्टी 300 पॉइंट्स within again a matter of 24 hours, within a day. So that's why I waited for this thing, and then finally like when things went up from here, then I was sure that नहीं, इन लोग का कॉल बाइंग पोजीशंस लेके इन लोग चल रहे हैं और इसमें इन लोग का लॉस रिकवर करने वाले हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई आल्सो वेंट विद दिस कॉल बाइंग पोजीशन. सो एनीवेज, दैट्स द ओवरऑल एनालिसिस. आई होप माय एनालिसिस are helping you. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.